Here is a very nice Model 575 Square Baler, New Holland, long tongue, super sweet. We went through the knotters and timing and adjustments and all of that in the shop. We did find a couple of bearings out that we replaced on this baler, and it is a good running baler now. Hydraulic bale tension and full bale chute and wagon tongue. We're going to have this for sale right here. If you guys have any questions, give us a call. Watch till the end of the video too. We're going to tie a set of knots for you.